Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Nicole from my Pandora Charmed Life, and today's video is going to be an Oger Beads haul video. So a lot of you guys know that one of my dearest, bestest friends is Emily, a fashion storyteller, and she has been showcasing some Oger Beads. She also gifted me a set of Oger Beads for Christmas, which I loved. They are on my Harry Potter video, if you haven't, or bracelet video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it here so you could watch it. But I also purchased a few Oger Beads myself, and I really like their beads. And then Emily showed her the little love GameCube that I instantly fell in love with. And then she showcased how well that they go with Pandora. And I was like, I need these Oger Beads silver beads in my life. So I went ahead and placed another Oger Beads order, and they had a buy 5 get 1 free special. They have that on their non-sale items. So got some silvers, got some glass beads. I'm going to show you guys my haul in these cute little packages. Do you guys have kids? I have obviously Presley, and she watches Wally Kazam. And I love that he's a little ogre, and this just reminds me of him. But anyway, I digress. Stay tuned and take a look at my Oger Beads haul. So starting with the bead that was the whole purpose of this order is their new Love GameCube. I saw this was the one I saw in Emily's video, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need it, and it looked so good. And I'm all about mixing brands, and she just styled it so beautifully with other brands, and I needed it. But then, do you guys see my nails? When I saw it, and you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I like to do Manny Matching Monday, and I was like, I need this cube to match these nails for an Instagram post. So I had to do it. Plus, Presley and I play tic-tac-toe all the time, and she's really good at it. She's like super strategic. And so this Love GameCube, I knew I had to have it, and I love the unique shape of it. So there you go. Here is the Love GameCube. I do like how it's so it's right side up that way, and it's gonna look right side up on the opposite side, if that makes sense, versus like one side always looking upside down. So I really like it. Even the side, it has some of their little X and O's, X and hearts. Really love this Valentine's bead so much. So I can't wait to make my Valentine design. Will definitely be on there. The next silver bead that I had to get was their Love is in the Air bead, and it's a hot air balloon. So if you followed me, you know that one of my favorite things about the city I live in is every year they have an international hot air balloon fiesta, and I like to go all the time. Especially now that I'm living here again. When I didn't before, it was kind of one of those things you took for granted and just really enjoyed the views from afar because you see all the hot air balloons in the sky. But now that I have Presley, now that we're living here again, I really want to make it a tradition for her. So we go every year, and this is just so cute. The little dangling basket. You have hearts that surround it, and some of them are like oxidized and indented, and some of the other ones are kind of puffed out. Such a cute hot air balloon charm. This next silver bead is their Universe bead, and I love all the stars on there. I love that this looks like it's a planet, and you guys, I love the stars. And now Presley loves outer space, and we talk about planets and outer space and stars and moons. But the other thing that's really cool about just the sky in general, and one of the reasons why I really like it, is because no matter like where you are in the world, like as long as it's the same time zone, you can for the most part look up and see the same stars. So I've appreciated that, as you know, I haven't always like lived in the same place as my friends and family. Then now that we have this gigantic charm loving, bead loving community, like we're all over the place, but it's like we're a lot closer than we think when you think about, you know, the grand scheme of things. So here is their absolutely gorgeously stunning universe bead. Sorry for that out of focus. She kind of has the same thing going on here too. So you can see that some of the stars are sticking out while some of them are indented. What's the right word? There's like a embossed and debossed. I don't know, one of those or both of those, depending on which one you're looking at. Now we're going to get into the glass beads, and so far all I've purchased from Oger are glass beads, so those are my first silver, and I'm going to tell you I'm not disappointed at all. And they do have a buy 5 get 1 free, so when I ordered, I did order 5 so I can get 1 free. So I just got one of these. This is the Purple Sky Gold Fragments, and I love all their sparkly stuff. Like anything with sparkle, like those are the beads that I'm drawn to. I think that's pretty much all that I have so far are the sparkly ones. So here is the Purple Sky Gold Fragments. This is in their universal core. I actually don't think the sale is for the small cores, so I think that's why I did all universal. Plus I wanted to be able to like have more options. Let's look at the side of this bead. Oh, and my little stick just rolls. It's really, really pretty. I love the faceted cuts too. This one was a nice little surprise I did not expect to have in my package, and I really appreciated it. I don't know if okay, so the day that I saw Emily's video on this guy, I went like straight to the website, and the website was down. So I had reached out on Instagram. I was like, oh no, I can't place my order. So they were right on it. But she included this bead, which I'm so very grateful for. It's so beautiful. I don't even know which one it's called. I actually tried to look, and I think it's actually out of stock. But loving, loving the purple, or not the purple, the blue like glass flowers on top of the bead. It is so beautifully made. She's got like a few different ones like this, and this one is just gorgeous. So thank you so much, Oger Beads. You guys are awesome. I love it. I can't wait to see. I actually have a troll beads design. I might play with that on. This is the bead, or these are the beads that are really, really, really like made me realize that how does Emily describe them? She's like, they're so magical. And I'm like, yes, like I've loved them, right? Like obviously I keep ordering, but I have not loved them to this extent until I've seen this one. These right here. Oh my goodness. It's Energy Pixie Dust, and it has such beautiful colors in there. There's almost like that cerise color in there, which is totally my color. You have some greens, you have some blues, you have some like really pale pinks, and then that glitter. I am absolutely obsessed with this style of glass bead. Holy moly. Like now I'm like, okay, this is magic. Oh, they're just so stunning. So, so, so beautifully made. You can look in the core. All that little sparkle just does so much for that bead. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely obsessed. So, yep, these have totally, completely won me over. I can't wait to design with all of it. Again, I love how universal they are with other brands too. And you guys, seriously, like you guys know me. I already have so many brands that I'm in love with, and I was like, oh, no, I don't need to get into another one. And then when Emily, a fashion storyteller, started showing them, I was like, but how do you not? There you go. So there you have it. Those are the beads that I picked from Oger Beads. You guys, I'm gonna have to say, like, those Energy Pixie Dust beads are like everything. They're everything. They're amazing. They're beautiful. I love the colors on them. I am like, while I thought I really, really, really liked Oger Beads, like those beads alone, I'm like, I'm in love. Yes, more of those, please. They're amazing. Anyway, If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'd like to know which one was your favorite bead that I purchased in this go around. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you here. So please consider subscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all next time.